Hi everyone, welcome back to Quick Maths where we make maths fast and fun. My name is Missy Gita. Today I'm going to teach you how to do questions involving algebraic proof. So don't forget to grab your notebook and pen. Let's get started. Prove that questions usually are grade 7 questions. They come anything on your paper from 2 marks to 3 marks. So where we have to prove our left hand side is equals to right hand side. So I'm going to start with my left hand side. N plus 5 squared. Always write down your question first, so we know what we are doing. Now it's n plus 5 is squared, so I'm going to expand this by using a double bracket. Write the second term 3n plus 8 as it is. So we use arrows. N times n is n squared. N plus 5 is 5n. Plus 5 and n is give me plus 5n. Plus 5 gives me 25. This comes down as it is, 3n plus 8. I have n squared. Now I collect like terms, gives me 10n plus 25 minus. Now I am ready to open up the brackets on the other side. When I open up the brackets, just careful, there is a negative sign in front of the bracket. When we have a negative sign in front of the bracket, inside sign always changes. So you have 3n minus 8. So minus times plus becomes minus 8. Always remember, if there is a negative sign in front of the bracket, inside sign will change. So n squared, I have only one, so I write that down. Now I have plus 10n minus 3n, which gives me plus 7n, 25, which is plus, and minus 8, which will give me plus 17. I'm nearly there. If you look at this, says plus 5 in here. So what I'm going to do is my plus 17, I'm going to write it to the side. I'm going to break this down into 12 plus 5. So I can get plus 5 that I need in my answer. So I'm going to do n squared plus 7n plus 12 plus 5. So I'm going to leave plus 5 to the side. I'm going to put bracket around this one because now I need to make up my answer. So if you look at this one, I need 2 factors of 12. When I multiply those 2 factors, product of those 2 factors need to be plus 12. When I add those 2 factors, my sum needs to be plus 3. So if I write it to the side, so you can check all the factors of 12, 2 and 6. I'm going to use 3 and 4. So n plus 3, n plus 4, and this plus 5 comes down as it is, and I'm done. That's my answer. So proof questions are not actually that hard. This, as I said to you, these are grade 6, grade 7 questions, which involves expanding brackets. If you're not sure how to expand brackets, I've done a video on expanding double brackets. You can go back on my YouTube channel and have a look. And then after that, just making up the answer. And once you've done the answer, always check that if your answer is exactly the same. If you need to justify your answer by writing a line, make sure you write a sentence at the end, and that's it, and we are done. See you soon. Bye bye.